Welcome back, friends. We are creating image slider inside JQuery. So this is the result that we have worked in our last classes, and this is the coding HTML and this is the CSS coding. So inside this class we want just if you just click on this image, so this image should be appear on the result menu or the result windows, you can see. So this is very easy. So from this on, from now we are going to start coding inside our JQuery. So the first thing, you need to just insert a dollar sign and round bracket dot another round bracket semicolon. Just make a copy of this, Control C, and inside this, inside the first parenthesis with single quotation, we are just selecting dot peak. Dot peak we have just created inside this div. Here is dot peak. We are just selecting this, the peak. We are just telling when someone click on this pixel, ICK. So which peak? This peak. So these are the peak. You can say image or peak. So that image is inside this div, and that div is called peak. So when someone click on this peak should be appear here. So you can just run a function here, function, and the rule of function you know better. Inside this we are just going to paste again this with single quotation, or you know we are just using here this selector. So this should be clone. Clones means copy and paste. So you are just going click on that, it means copy, and after clone we are just going to use the dot here, append, append, append to, it means paste. When click on this, when someone click on the peak, it should be copy and paste. So append to, so we are just going to open a round bracket here, inside the round bracket single quotation, where should be paste. So I can just explain here better. When someone click on this image, so this image should be paste here inside the result windows. So you are just giving here hash result inside result, Control S. Let's check, refresh, click on this image, so you can see it's just coming this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. But we have a problem, so we don't want like this. When I just refresh this, when I'm just clicking on this image, so this image should be here. But when I'm just clicking on other image, for example this image, so the first image should be removed and the second image should come and just should be replaced. So you can see it is not just doing like this. Just for solving this issue, we are just going to create another line of code, paste that line, and here inside this single quotation we are just inserting hash and result. So we are working just on the result. Here we are just writing children. I will just explain this just after writing the code. And under another sign, you can just write here pref and round bracket, another dot, and remove. After remove, you can just insert this round bracket, and that's all. So what we have told, we have just told here that when someone click on this image, so this image should be appear here. So this the image which is appearing inside the result windows, that image is called children. So you can see inside the result windows, the children image should be when the children image appearing, it means .pref image. So that image should be removed. You have saved this, come here and refresh, click on this image. So now we are going to click on this image, so you can see not working. Let's check hash result dot children children. So spelling mistake, children. Control S, come back and refresh, click, so you can see it's working. First this image, and this image is just replacing with this image after clicking. So one more thing we want, we want just when we are clicking on this image, so this image should be appear here with a big size. So we are just going to do this. You can just come here and paste the basic syntax. So inside this with single quotation we are putting hash and result, and here again we are using children children dot again children. So I will explain this. Don't worry about this. Round bracket, and we are using dot attribute here with round bracket, and inside this we are using curly braces. So inside the curly braces we are going to use single quotation. For example, we are just creating a class. So just save this, go to your CSS, and here we are inserting hash result. We have result. Inside the result we are just creating another class of image, open curly braces. So the width of new images should be something 480 pixel, and the height should be the same, 480 px. Control S. Now just copy the name. You can just copy and come here. Inside this you can paste it, or you can just create a class here, and after this you can put a colon and another single quotation and the name of image, result image. Control S. Come here, refresh, click on this image. Now you can see this image, this image, this image, and this. So we are done till here. I think this is enough for this class, and in next class we will come back, we will work on this, we will take this in advanced level. So till next class, watch this video and to practice. Have a nice time and see you.